Hey gang, and welcome back to the channel. I bought this little bench grinder probably about a year ago. I think I gave $5 for it. Of course I didn't need it, but hey, when does that ever matter? I kind of got sick of looking at it around here and tried to figure out what I might do with it. Then I realized that I spend quite a bit of time mounting and unmounting wire wheels to my polishing wheel setup. So I'm thinking maybe it might be nice to have a dedicated wire wheel machine. So I think this might just fit the bill. Let's see what we can come up with. Well, look what arrived on my porch this evening from Mr. George at You Want to Watch. My goodness, let's see what George has sent. George is such a generous guy. And I'm always glad to see what he sends along. Actually, this is interesting because I just sent something his way today. So, kind of a coincidence, I guess. Well, some packing noodles. George sent a very nice note, which I appreciate. Oh my goodness. This was in a video of George's very recently. It's a Radio Man, a Naval Training Course radio manual. George, thank you. I'm so glad to get this. I'm been a ham operator for over 60 years now, and I love this kind of stuff. So, thank you so much, George. Very nice of you. Oh my goodness, look at this. This was, I believe, in the same video of George's very recently. So nice of him. Trigonometry tables. Love these old technical books. Let's see. Trying to look for a copyright date. Don't see one right offhand. Anyway, what a very cool item. Thank you, George. You're the man. And what do we have here? Oh my goodness, look at that. What a cool little bottle with a cork. I don't have anything like this, George. I've never had anything like this before. Thank you so much. This is going to be a display item. I'm going to redo my work area here a little bit when I get a chance, and this is going to be an item to display up there. So that and a little book. and this awesome Radio Man course, naval training course. I have a similar one from the Army, but this is a Navy training course. Thanks a lot, George. Really appreciate it. By the way, there's something coming your way from me. I have a big heavy-duty grinder, so I don't really need a small grinder like this. So that's why I don't feel bad about turning this into a dedicated wire brush station. So let the disassembly begin. Taking this down any further is against my better judgment, but hey, my better judgment's never stopped me before. One thing I noticed about this thing while working on it is that this Toastmaster grinder is really pretty high quality. The parts fit together with very close tolerances. There are some adjustments that can be made, and I had to mess with it a little bit to get it to work properly. But when I got it all back together, it works really well. Those of you who don't want to watch some extreme weight reduction on this thing may want to avert your eyes at this point. I'm doing this to allow more access to the wire wheels than was necessary with the grinding wheel. I'm doing some surface prep here for painting. I found that the cap of a plastic milk bottle is a perfect fit for the place that the light used to go. I have no need for a light there, so I just covered it up. It works great, actually better than I expected it to. It'll be good for light duty, and I've always got the big motor for the buffing wheels that I can use for heavier duty stuff. But this is going to be just fine for small items. So there it is, guys, a modified Toastmaster bench grinder, which has been changed into a light-duty wire brush station. I think it's going to be pretty useful for me. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.